bloody amazing. This rock is huge, my friend. It's huge. Okay guys, we sort of like halfway through this bike trip now. What do you say, got it? Outback cycling. This is definitely like Australian outback cycling. The best view ever. That there over there is the halfway mark where we're gonna fill up our water. On the other side should be a bit shady, so it should be easier for us to ride compared to this soft sand that we've been doing over the last 7.5k. So we'll make it happen.
Bye, camera.
That was amazing, man. Yeah. Bloody tired though. Kakak. I know. But I'm so proud of you, Kak. Give me a high five, Kak. Give me a high five. Mama, give me a high five. Adek, give me a high five. Hey, 3 of you, you're all warriors. Just treating the kids with some ice creams. They've done it. Pretty good job. 15Ks riding, pretty good exercise. Nice, Kak. How's the ride?
Awesome.
Say it again.
Beauty.
This is another hungry kid.
We're almost there. Okay, away. Almost.
Yay.
They're rockets.
Bye, Uluru. Hey guys, so we spent 3 days in Uluru, 3 nights. We couldn't extend for another night though, as we wanted to, because they're getting busy now. So where are we going now, kiddos?
Kings Canyon.
Yes, we're going to Kings Canyon. Really? So it's about 4 hours away from where we are now, before we head off to Kubapiti tomorrow on our way back down. Our plan was to do that 2-kilometer walk, and there should be a lookout at the end of the walk. All the information at the front, they just say it's open. I think we walked like 1 kilometer in, but the road to the lookout was actually closed. Walking with flies, walking with flies. Flies on your face, flies on your bum. Walking with flies, walking with flies. You ate one and you are Australian.